Hi guys, this is the part 2 of the previous video. Now this time we're going to be factorizing and quadratic expressions, ones which have a minus in front of the x coefficient and a positive on the constant. Now in the previous ones they were all positive terms. Okay, so the basic principles still remain the same. The method is exactly the same. So we're looking for a moment, just let's ignore the minus sign there for now and just concentrate on the magnitude or the size of these numbers. So let's look for some number, okay, or some pair of numbers when multiplied together, which will give me 4, but add to give me 5. Well, there's factors of 4 are 2 and 2, but 2 plus 2 will give me 4, not 5. 4 and 1, 4 times 1 gives me 4. 4 plus 1 gives me 5. But I want a negative 5 there. Okay, now in order to do that, I need to put a minus sign in front of these two, because negative 4 plus negative 1 will give me negative 5. And if I put a negative sign in each one of these, I know I'll get a positive 4, because negative 4 times negative 1 will give me plus 4. So factorize into two linear expressions. This will be as follows. So it will be x minus 1 and x minus 4. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So we've got x squared minus 11x plus 30. Once again, let's ignore the negative sign there for now and ask ourselves what two numbers, when you multiply them together, will give you 30, but when added together will give you 11. And the two numbers that come to mind are 5 and 6. Because 5 times 6 gives me 30, and 5 plus 6 also gives me 11. But I want a negative 11. So because I want a negative 11, it needs to be minus 6 and minus 5 and minus 6. And in order to get a positive 30, they both must also be negative as well. Okay, so this then goes into two linear expressions, and they are x minus 5, x minus 6. Thank you for watching the video and hope this helps.